Now let's move straight to page setup. Before I move to page setup, I would like to check if there are no questions. Please don't forget to bring your questions. I will check and then I answer everybody's question. Right now, the page setup also from grade 11 to 10, page setup questions like paper size, margins, line numbers, hyphenation, and others. So we're going to look at different questions from there. Now, first of all, let's take one carnival. We take one carnival. Let me close all these files. Don't have to save them. I must close all of them. Right. So I open one carnival. Now, according to the question, it says, change the paper size of the document to A4. Set the top of the margin of the document to 2 centimeters. Remove the page background in the document and set the vertical alignment of the first page of the document to middle. So we are going to change the paper size. We set the margins and then we are going to remove the background color. And then also we set the vertical alignment. So now, whenever you are dealing with margins, I'm going to show you the shortest way of doing that. First one, you can use the search and type margins or page setup. Or alternatively, if you don't have the ruler settings, these are the ruler settings. If you don't have it, you can go to view and then you take ruler. Now, if you have the ruler setting, double click anywhere inside the ruler settings. Double click is going to open page setup. So anytime you double click inside the ruler, it will open page setup for you. Now, the question says the top margin should be 2 centimeters. So the top, we change to 2 centimeters. And then the paper size, we change from letter to A4. They can ask you to also change to a specific size. And then again, the margins, watch out for this. They can ask you to change the margin to narrow or mirror. So you have the mirror margin. Narrow is not here, but I'll show you where to find a narrow margin. Right. Again, they can ask you to also set the gutter position and then the gutter size. They can ask you to change that. Then when you go to the paper, again, they are asking for vertical alignment. So when you go to layout, you will see vertical alignment center. And we are applying only to this section. That's the first page. If you look at the question, it says, set the vertical alignment of the first page of the document to middle. That's to center. So meaning you set the vertical alignment from layout center, then you must change here, apply to this section. Now, we can also use the same page setup to change the border and then also line number. They can ask you to number them. We can use the page setup also for that. Now, when you're done, you click OK. Let's check the question again. Then we have to remove the background. Now, background remover, you get it under design. Then you see page color, then no color, so that the background color will be removed. I'm going to also take the opportunity to explain to you how to also set up background color. Remember, Microsoft Word, when you are doing it, you don't know where to go. Like here, background, you can just say background or page color. It's going to take you there, page color, and then you change it. You can do that. Right. Now, with the page color, there are other ways of also, if they don't change you to the effect, fill effect. Now, when you go to fill effect, we have the gradient fill. You can ask you to change the gradient fill to 2 colors. With the first color, let's say red, and then the second color to be another color. Then whether it should be diagonal up or that, they can ask you any of these. Again, so here, that's how we take 2 colors to fill the background. So watch out for the background, not only the normal colors, but then the fill effect. Texture is also there, pattern, and then also inserting a picture as the background. Right, so that is all about page color. Now let's move straight to one street. It says, change the bottom page margin to 2 centimeters from the bottom, and then from page 3 onwards. So here, from page 3 onwards, that's what they are talking about. So let's check one street. One street. So again, they can ask you to change the margin to 2 centimeters from page 2. So again, we double click, and then you go to margins. Then according to the question, it says 2 centimeters from the bottom. Now, say this section or the whole document. Now here is from the bottom. That's 2 centimeters. So now the top is from the bottom 2 centimeters. This was 2.5. Now, here we are trying to a certain section. So meaning you were supposed to select the page, they say from page 3 onwards. So 1, page 2, starting from page 3. It should be here that you are setting that margin. So the 2 centimeters only for this. The selected section, and then okay. Only that section that you are setting to 2 centimeters, not the entire document. Right, so you meet such question, gutter margin also, and then gutter position. Like one travel, change the top margin of the document to 2.54 and change the gutter position to top. So one travel, let's check it. Also 2.54 centimeters for the top margin. So 2.54 to 2.54. And then the gutter position to top. They said that the gutter position should be top. And if they say maybe the gutter should be 1 centimeter, you change it also here. So basically, that's how we set the margins and then also the vertical alignment. So all these questions that follow, these are the other activities you can also do them. change the page orientation of the document to portrait. So if they ask you to change page orientation again, you can double click and then you see orientation to landscape. But the only aspect that you have to also take note, if they say change the margin to wide or moderate or narrow, then you don't have to use the ruler and double click. You just go to layout, margins, and then you will see these ones: narrow, moderate, wide, and then the mirrored margin. These ones have a predefined measurement that is already there. So when you choose moderate, it will have its own measurement also. So take note of that. Right. From there, we move straight to, we are done with the page size, the margins, line numbers, and then the hyphenation. We will look for another question like that also. Here also talks about the border from 6pt. That's one protect. Let's look at that. One protect. Now, according to the question, insert the border to the document as follows. It must be 2.25 points thick, and then the border must be 6pt from the text. So now, when you are inserting a border, we can use the search and type border, or alternatively, you see borders and shading, then it takes you there. Alternatively, you can also find from design, and then you see page border, or just use the ruler, you double click, and then when you go to the paper, no, not the paper, the layout, you see border, then to also take it there. So I think the easier way is to just go there. If it is in the examination, you type border and shading. Then you can now change the borders. Now, the question said the page border. So you go to page border, and the width should be 2.25, which is this one. And also, let's check the question again. Must be 6pt. It says 2.14, and then you go to the option. Then, according to the question, it says it must be 6 points from the text. So you see the margins here, and then measure from the text. Measure from the text, then you choose 6pt. Did it talk about the right or left? It didn't mention whether from the left or the right. So from the text, and then if they are talking about the right or the left, you change them here for the margin. So maybe 6pt, they are referring to this. For each. And then okay. So I didn't insert, sorry, I did not insert the type of border. So when I choose 2.4, I must apply it here. The 6pt from the text. So you must make sure that when you are doing page border, you go to options. When they are talking about from the text, you go to options, but don't forget to pick them, those borders, you pick them. 6 throughout, and then okay. Right, so this is 6pt from the text, and then also 2.25 width. So that's how we insert a border from the text. Right, also the layout, this one is talking about the legal the paper size should be legal, and then the gutter position to be the left. Like the same way you only focus on this, the paper should be legal, not A4. And then also the gutter position to the left. So that's how we change the gutter and then also the page setup. There are so many questions like that. Like here, it says change it to A4 and then the margin should be to mirror. So the margin also, you go there to layout, margins, then you choose the mirror one. So that is how we set up a page.